Okay, so today is February 17th, 2025, and this is going to be day 224 of consistently helping people build consistency. And yeah, I'm currently, for some reason, I cannot go back to my home, and I'm currently on my friend's place. So yeah, sorry for the low quality. So the thing that you actually need to do here is that if you want to be consistent at exercising, studying, or practicing your art, anything, the first thing that you need to do is to write all the motivations that you want it to be, all the motivations why you do that thing in the first place. So for example, oh yeah, I want to exercise consistently. We wrote that thing down. Why do I want to exercise consistently? Is that because I want to be healthy? I want to, you know, I want to look good and so on and so on. Just be honest to yourself about your motivation. But not only that we write all the reasons, all the, like positive reasons why we want to exercise, we also write the possible negative consequences if we don't exercise. Okay, if we don't do the thing that we need to be doing. For example, oh yeah, you know what? If I don't exercise on the long run, it's going to be bad for my health. I'm going to be having higher probability to get sick and so on and so on. And I don't want that to happen, right? So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is every single time we want to do our exercise, we are going to be reading this paper, right? Our positive motivation and our negative consequences if we don't do the thing, right? So why it's going to be effective when we just frame it this way? So here's the thing. We are not going to be feeling motivated 100% of the time, even though we know that this is the right thing to do, right? Exercising is the right thing to do, studying is the right thing to do. And by us reading the paper, right, reading the paper containing our motivation why we do that thing on the first place, it's gonna remind ourselves, right, about why we do these things on the first place, about our motivation on the first place, right? And also by reading the negative consequences, we are gonna be thinking like, oh, you know what, maybe like doing some exercise today is kind of suck. I don't really enjoy exercising today. I'm really lazy today. I just want to like scroll some Instagram today. But you know what, guess what's going to even feel way more suck? Having to face the negative consequences on the future if I don't exercise. So you know what? Guess what? I'm just gonna be exercising today. I'm just gonna be doing my exercise today because comparatively, it's gonna be way less suck compared to facing the negative consequences in the future. Okay. And also, you know what? Like exercising is the right thing anyway, right? So that's how you actually make the probability of you being consistent at doing your thing higher by reminding yourself on a daily basis about your motivation and consequence.